Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check Sony camera shutter count. So the first thing what we need to do is take a new photo, capture a fresh image, either JPEG or RAW format. So the image content does not matter. You can even leave the lens cap on. Ensure the photo is taken using the mechanical shutter, as electronic silent shutter uh, accounts are often not tracked in the main count. So now what I need to do now is transfer this photo to my computer. So let's take that. Okay, so what we need to do is upload to the checker tool. So use a reputable web-based tool to read the EXIF data. So one is Sony Alpha shutter count, or this one camerashuttercount.com. Now right here I will choose the my photos. Okay, so this one right here. Let's say date. Now when you select the photo, you just then click the upload button right here, and then we need to wait a little bit. And just like that, as you can see, shutter count 25,356 is on my camera. And this is how you can check shutter count on your Sony camera. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.